Hey, it's Aaron, and I just wanted to take a moment to walk through this early iteration of the new jobs feature we're working on. And so we're focused on jobs here on the left, and we can see a listing of jobs. The jobs are associated with a workspace, which helps us manage permissions as well as a project. There are different sorts of triggers. A job can be automatically triggered when content that it is scoped to is ingested. For example, you might upload a PDF that is a quarterly earnings report, and anytime a financial document is uploaded, this job might run and see if that kind of content is what this job is looking for, and it might do an analysis and produce chat output that it could then push out to you or be available for you to come check in like a dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and click into this content moderation, and we can see here that there's a prompt that is already loaded to perform this task. Now, I can make a change for this if I want to run this job manually. So maybe there's a task that I want to do now, but it's not exactly always the same every single time. And this is just going to save me a step. So I might say ignore the Tesla debacle or whatever. If I don't have to make any changes. I could just run the job now. Or again, it could be automatically triggered for me, and we'll take a deeper look at that in a moment. This prompt, as we run this job, is going to be automatically scoped to workspace and projects and targeted to certain types of content. I can come up in here and see the previous chats that this job has produced. And so I can see the one that it did yesterday or the last time I manually ran it or whatever it might be. Now, I can also get this information just from my chats UI. I can come up here and I can filter on a job and say, just show me sales data updates. So I can filter chats by the projects that they're in, or by the labels that are associated, or by the job that produced it. Anyways, I'm going to come back here to job, and I'm going to go back to content marketing, and I'm going to click on the settings tab. Here is where we can essentially save the template. And so I can make changes to this, and I can save this, and now every time the job runs after this, this template would then be running for the job. And I'll be able to use my concepts and my labels by using the hashtag or the @ symbol. I can do comparisons. I have the full capability of Storytell just kind of running automatically for me when I choose to, or templatized, that all I have to do is run it on demand and maybe change the customer I'm pointing at. As we talked about trigger types, right now this job is set to manual. I could say run it on a schedule, and the schedule type could be fixed intervals or a cron schedule. I've got some cleaning up to do. This won't be the final language. We don't want our users to be thinking about crons, but that's what it'll be in the back end. Or it could be on update. So anytime data that we're watching is updated and Storytell has seen it stream through our system, this job could then be triggered to run. And so this is how we kind of define that scoping, like what projects are we looking at here, what workspaces are we playing with, and kind of what content are we matching here. And then of course the ability to delete the job. And so this is a very early look. We've got a good amount of iteration still to do here. So provide feedback. Appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great weekend, everyone.